students, welcome to Meghna Study Career, May 13th Current Affairs. Which committee was set up under the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee has recommended that TB drugs such as streptomycin and tetracycline should be completely banned on crops. The committee is registration committee, and the registration committee held its 114th meet on May 1st, 2020. According to the report submitted by its subcommittee, 9% of the streptomycin sulfate and 1% of the tetracycline hydrochloride is to use on crops. According to the report generated, the drugs were used at its highest in Delhi, Haryana, and Punjab. Next, which organization has indigenously developed antibody detection kit for COVID-19? It is National Institute of Virology, and the study of virus is called virology. Headquarters is in Pune. Actually, this kit is capable of testing 19 samples in a single run of 2.5 hours. The kit was jointly developed by ICMR and NIV. The kit validated the indigenous IgG ELISA test called COVID Kavach ELISA. The Indian Council of Medical Research has tied up with which company to develop indigenous vaccine? It has been tied up with Bharat Biotech International Limited, and the vaccine is to be developed using virus strains that have been isolated from COVID-19 patients at National Institute of Virology. Next, on which day National Technology Day is observed? It is on May 11th, and this year the theme is focusing on rebooting the economy through science and technology. And the code name of first phase of Operation Shakti was Smiling Buddha. It was conducted in May 1974. The second nuclear test, the phase 2 of Operation Shakti, conducted in 1998, was called Pokhran 2 and was a series of 5 tests of nuclear bombs. It was led by late President APJ Abdul Kalam. After this successful test, PM Vajpayee called India a complete nuclear state. Next, the Supreme Court of India recently pronounced its judgment that cooperative banks shall be placed under which act? It is Securitization, Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act. The Act provides procedure to transfer non-performing assets for reconstruction of assets. It also enforces security interests of the bank without intervention of the court. In order to recover a debt, the Act empowers the financial institutions in India to take over immovable property. Next, which agency developed spirulina groundnut chickpea that can provide micronutrients and boost immunity? It is Central Food Technological Research Institute, and it was established on 21st October 1950. The director is Dr. KSMS Raghava Rao. Location is in Mysore. Next, Moody has slashed India's GDP growth for the financial year 2001 is 2.6%. Next, the All India Football Federation on May 12, 2020 declared that the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup will be held during Feb 17, 2001 to March 7, 2001 in India. The tournament was earlier scheduled to be held on November 2, 2020. Next, which state government will soon be developing the standard operating procedure for the tourists visiting the state? It is Goa. Since Goa has been declared coronavirus free as there have been no cases of the deadly virus in the state for over a month. Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Pandurang Sawant, Governor Satyapal Malik. The state was established on 30th May 1987, also known as Konkan, Pearl City of the Orient. Major ports are Marmuga Port, and major dances are Jagor, Natak, Korodinho, Fundai. And some of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in Goa are Bondla, Molam, Kotigoa, Mahadai, Netravalli, Mahavir, Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Next, who took charge as new Secretary of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? He is Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi. He has been succeeded Anand Kumar, who has been appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of Culture. Next, founding father of rock and roll, Little Richard passed away. He achieved Lifetime Achievement Award in 1993 from the Recording Academy. Next, National Aerospace Laboratory has developed BiPAP ventilator named Swastivayu. It is a non-invasive breathing support device for the use of non-critical, non-ICU cases of COVID-19 patients. BiPAP stands for Bilevel Positive Airways Pressure. It is a type of positive pressure ventilator, and National Aerospace Laboratories is in Bangalore. Next, which scheme provides pension of rupees 1000 to 5000 on attaining 60 years of age? It is Atal Pension Yojana. The scheme can be subscribed by any Indian citizen of age 18 to 40 years. Also, when the pensioner dies, it amounts to be guaranteed pension for the lifetime to the spouse. In case the death of both the subscriber and the spouse, a nominee shall be claimed the amount. Next, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises launches Champions Role. The Protol acts as a technology-driven control room and management information system. Champion stands for Creation and Harmonious Application of Modern Process. It aims to increase output and national strength. The system is to be completely integrated with CPGRAMS of Government of India. CPGRAM stands for Centralized Public Grievances and Monitoring System. It was developed by National Informatics Center along with Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances and Directorate of Public Grievances. Next, upcoming sports events. What is ICC actually? ICC stands for International Cricket Council, and it was founded as the Imperial Cricket Conference in 1909 by the representatives from Australia, England and South Africa. It was renamed as the International Cricket Conference in 1965 and took up its current name in 1989. This ICC organizes world champions events such as Cricket World Cup, Women's Cricket World Cup, ICC T20 World Cup, ICC Women's T20 World Cup, ICC Champions Trophy and Under 19 Cricket World Cup, and its headquarters is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And currently ICC has 104 member nations. So 2021 ICC Men's T20 World Cup and 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup to be held in India. Next, 2020 ICC Men's T20 World Cup and 2020 ICC Women's T20 World Cup to be held in Australia. Next, 2021 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup held in New Zealand. Next, 2020 ICC Under 19 Cricket World Cup and 2022 ICC Women's T20 World Cup to be held in South Africa. Next, 2021 ICC Women's Under 19 Cricket World Cup to be held in Bangladesh. Next, Asian Games. Asian Games is a continental multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletes from all over Asia. The headquarters of Asian Games is in Kuwait, and the first Asian Games were held in 1951 at New Delhi. Motto of Asian Games is Ever Onward. So the upcoming 2022 Asian Games to be held in Hangzhou, which is in China. The capital of China is Beijing. The president of China is Xi Jinping. Next, 2026 Asian Games to be held at Nagoya, which is in Japan, and capital of Japan is Tokyo. Next, Commonwealth Games. Headquarters of Commonwealth Games is in London, United Kingdoms, and some of the games were included in Commonwealth Games on 13th August 2019. Those were Women's T20 Cricket, Beach Volleyball and Para Table Tennis. 2 games were excluded. Those were archery and shooting, and the official motto of Commonwealth Game for 2018 was Share the Dream. The first Commonwealth Game held in 1930 and it takes place every 4 years. So 2022 Commonwealth Game to be held in Birmingham, which is in England. 2021 Commonwealth Youth Games to be held in Porto, Spain, which is in Italy from 1st August to 7th August of 2021. Next is Olympics. Olympics headquarters is in Lausanne, which is in Switzerland. So 2020 Summer Olympic Games to be held in Tokyo, Japan. 2024 Summer Olympics to be held at Paris, France. 2028 Summer Olympics to be held at Los Angeles. California, USA. 2022 Winter Olympics to be held at Beijing, China. 2026 Winter Olympics to be held at Milan and Cortina d'Ampezzo. In 2023 Rugby World Cup to be held in France. So upcoming 2021 FIFA Under 20 Men's World Cup to be held in Indonesia. 2021 FIFA Under 17 Men's World Cup to be held in Peru. 2020 FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup to be held in India. 2020 FIFA Club World Cup to be held in Qatar. 2021 FIFA Club World Cup to be held in China. 2022 FIFA Men World Cup to be held in Qatar. 2026 FIFA Women's World Cup to be held in Canada, Mexico and United States. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest job updates and current affairs.